So this is a used shaving set, and I'm removing the blade of this Gillette Pro Glide like this, just like this, and I remove the blade. So you can simply press like this to remove the blade. Now I take a new blade. Okay, this is the set of 1, 2, 3, 4 blades, and I take my shaving set like this and I insert like this. And you can see that okay, it's fine. So remember, in order to change the blade, you must simply press like this, and if you want to insert the new blade, then we can do like this. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Thank you.